Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Civitai and become an AI artist for free. Civitai is a strong tool for making art and pictures. It uses stable diffusion to create them. The tool can make art in different styles and forms. You can look at art pieces using its search engines. Also, you can make new art, change it, and share it on other platforms. Start by opening civitai.com in the address bar. Once the website loads, look for the sign in button and click on it. If you prefer to sign in with your Google account, click on the Google option. Now you will see featured images on the websites that you can use. Scroll down to see more options. Choose any image you like by clicking on it. Then click on the Create button. In the prompt box, describe what you want to generate. For example, you can write a boy with big black eyes and a hairband on his head. Optionally, you can also provide a negative prompt to specify what you don't want the image. For instances, avoid images with two heads, many fingers, and bad quality. Select the aspect ratio you prefer, such as square, landscape, or portrait. You will find options like mature content or draft mode. Toggle these options on or off according to your preferences. In the advanced section, adjust the CFG scale to your liking or choose options like creative, balanced, or precise. Customize the sampler settings based on your preference, such as popular or fast. In the step section, adjust the settings as per your requirement. Check the seed section where you can choose between random or custom options. You can also adjust the clip skip here. Optionally, you can add VAE if needed. After configuring all settings, click on I confirm start generating to begin the image generation process. You can also specify the quantity of images you want to generate. Once everything is set, wait for the image to be generated according to your specifications. After the generation process is complete, you will see the image generated based on your prompt and settings. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.